Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Angular Complete Guide. Lecture 1. In this lecture, we will learn about Introduction to Angular, Introducing Angular, a comprehensive overview, setting up your development environment, getting started with Angular CLI, understanding Angular architecture and file structure, TypeScript, an introduction and setup guide. Conclusion: why Angular is the future of web development. Introducing Angular, a comprehensive overview. Angular is a comprehensive JavaScript framework that enables developers to build dynamic and responsive web applications with ease. With its powerful features and intuitive design, it has become the go-to choice for many developers around the world. One of the key benefits of Angular is its ability to simplify complex tasks and streamline development workflows. Its modular structure and intuitive syntax make it easy to organize code and build scalable applications that can be easily maintained over time. Additionally, Angular's robust set of tools and libraries enable developers to create rich and engaging user experiences that are optimized for performance and speed. Setting up your development environment. To set up your development environment for Angular, you'll need to start by installing Node.js and npm. Once you have these installed, you can use the Angular CLI command line interface to create a new project and generate components, services, and other files. One tip for optimizing your workflow is to use a code editor that supports TypeScript, such as Visual Studio Code or WebStorm. This will provide you with better code completion and error checking, which can save you time and help you catch errors before they become bigger problems. Getting started with Angular CLI. Angular CLI is a powerful tool that helps developers streamline the development process by automating many common tasks. With just a few simple commands, you can create new projects, generate components and services, run tests, and more. One of the key features of Angular CLI is its ability to generate code for you. This means you don't have to spend time writing boilerplate code or setting up configuration files. Instead, you can focus on building your application logic and let Angular CLI handle the rest. Understanding Angular architecture and file structure. Angular architecture is based on a component model, where each component has its own template, style, and logic. Components are organized into modules which group related components together. Modules can also be nested within other modules to create a hierarchical structure. In addition to components and modules, Angular applications also include services, which provide functionality that can be shared across components. Services can be injected into components using dependency injection, allowing for easy and efficient communication between different parts of the application. TypeScript, an introduction and setup guide. TypeScript is a statically typed superset of JavaScript that adds optional types, classes, and interfaces. It was developed by Microsoft and is widely used for building Angular applications. One of the key benefits of TypeScript is that it helps catch errors at compile time rather than at runtime. This can save developers a lot of time and headaches in the long run. Additionally, TypeScript adds features like class-based object-oriented programming, which can make code more modular and easier to maintain. Conclusion: why Angular is the future of web development. Angular is the future of web development. With its powerful features and benefits, it has become the framework of choice for building dynamic web applications. One of the key benefits of Angular is its ability to create reusable components, which can be easily integrated into different parts of your application. This makes it easy to maintain and update your codebase, while also improving overall code quality. Another advantage of Angular is its use of TypeScript, a language that provides strong typing and other advanced features for building complex applications. This makes it easier to catch errors before they become problems, and ensures that your code is more robust and scalable. In addition, Angular offers a rich set of tools and libraries for building modern web applications, including support for reactive programming, server-side rendering, and mobile development. This makes it an ideal choice for developers who want to build cutting-edge applications that can run on any platform or device. In conclusion, if you want to stay ahead of the curve in web development, Angular is the framework to learn. Its powerful features and benefits make it the perfect choice for building dynamic and engaging applications that can run anywhere.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.